Hello and welcome to the episode 10 of C++ Code Deep Dive. If you ever wondered how unique pointer works, it's an episode for you. If you find presented content useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. I will allocate one integer on the heap with value 10. Then I create a unique pointer with a constructor. Let's deep dive to see how it works. Unique pointer constructor accepts single pointer as a parameter. Empty attribute is initialized with the pointer data. This attribute is of templated type unique pointer data that accepts type being pointed and deleter. Unique pointer data inherits from unique pointer imp. Unique pointer imp also contains empty attribute. This is a tuple holding pointer and deleter object. Firstly, this tuple is initialized with empty value. You can see how tuples work in my previous video. Then, reference to the field holding pointer is retrieved, which is the first element in the tuple. This is set to parameter p value. In this case, freshly initialized pointer value is 0, and then the value is set to constructor parameter. Let's picture this. We have a unique pointer class first. This class has attribute mt that is of type unique pointer data. Unique pointer data inherits from unique pointer imp. Unique pointer imp holds tuple with pointer and deleter. Let's retrieve stored pointer and check if pointer is not empty. Get method calls unique pointer data object, which retrieves first value from the tuple, as this value stores the pointer. The stored pointer matches the pointer passed initially. When casting with bool operator, there's a check of pointer against empty pointer value. If it's different, true value is returned. For our case, it's true as expected. Let's use star operator to extract value from the pointer. There's a sanity check first if the pointer is not a null pointer. Then, get is called to obtain the pointer, and the star operator is used to extract the value. As expected, it's done in this case. What happens if reset is called on unique pointer? Firstly, the pointer is moved and the call is delegated to unique pointer imp. Reset method retrieves stored pointer first, which is a pointer to our stored value 10. As a next step, the reference is obtained for the first value in the tuple, which is a pointer holding tuple attribute. New value is assigned. We could reset to any other pointer, but in the default case it's reset to the null pointer. Since the old value was not a null pointer, the deleter is obtained first. The deleter is the second value stored in the tuple. The deleter is invoked with the old pointer value. By default, there's default delete structure used as a deleter, which simply runs delete on the past pointer. Let's change reset to release, which returns pointer as an invocation result. Release also obtains pointer and the reference to the pointer in the tuple. This time, the value is explicitly set to null pointer and the old pointer is returned. It's the same pointer that was passed initially to unique pointer constructor. Now, unique pointer object has no value, however, stored data was not deleted. The recommended way to create unique pointer is with makeUnique function. Let's create object that holds pointer to float value. This function accepts values used to create the object directly. After forwarding parameters, new object is allocated on the heap, and unique pointer constructor is called, as with previous example. When assigning one unique pointer object to the other, compiler complains that copy constructor is deleted. As we don't want pointer to be shared, this is correct implementation. If we use move on the object, the moving constructor is called on unique pointer. This delegates to custom unique pointer imp moving constructor. This moves tuple values and puts null value into move tuple pointer attribute. As we can see, f object contains null pointer and now x stores p float pointer. The last thing is destruction of an object. When the structure is called, first the pointer reference is obtained. If it's not a null pointer, deleter is obtained from the tuple and invoked on the pointer. When we look at the structure, we see that first 8 bytes in the memory stores the pointer. The deleter structure does not store an additional data. The pointer is set to null in the end and the structure exits. In this video, I showed how unique pointer works in C++. Now you know. If you liked this video, make sure to press like button and subscribe. I hope my content will help you creating something great. Thanks for watching.